Right here hits the eye and upper jaw, so this potential eye issues arising. Okay, this is quite chronic. Use the eye wash, clean the head of mucus, clean the sinuses. This hits the voice box region and the esophagus region, so he's moving to the chronic side. So I would use the respiratory tea and the respiratory one tincture. This here hits the upper back region. Okay, so use circulation tinctures and go on Hampton fruit diet. And right here is the pancreas. Okay, so you can see it's compromised. Okay, use the pancreas tincture and liver and pancreas tincture. Right here is where the gallbladder is located, in the liver. Okay, liver is right here, gallbladder is right here. They're compromised. Use the liver and pancreas formula. So right here is where the thorax is located. You can see it's compromised. And right here is where the lower, okay, and upper lungs are located as well. You can see they're compromised with mucus and lymph. And right here is where the chest, ribs, and thorax region is located, also compromised. When you see that yellow tint to the eye, that's a potential candida and sulfur, so it needs to be addressed. There's also a malabsorption ring around the pupil, means you're malabsorbed. You're not absorbing nutrients that you should be. The bowels itself are chronic. Here's the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. So it all needs to be cleaned up. And you have a very, very thick skin ring. See that dark ring? Indicates you're not sweating properly due to a weak thyroid. Thyroid is located right here, you can see, okay? So all this needs to be cleaned up. 100% food, diet, and herbs. The sclera shows high acidosis. When you see a brown tint to it, it's usually a liver weakness as well. So all this needs to be cleaned up.